One gunshot, one scream, one boy forced to run away from everything he'd ever known. Milkha Singh was 15 when it first happened. 15. Today, at 15, we wonder what we're going to do when we grow up. We worry about our unfinished homework. We laugh about inconsequential matters with our friends. I'm 15. But so was Milkha Singh when he watched his whole family being brutally killed right before him. And so he ran because his father told him to. Bhag Milkha bhag. Uprooted during the partition, Milkha Singh had no childhood. He had no home, no future, no family, no nothing, just uncertainty. But what makes Milkha Singh's story truly striking isn't just what he lost, it's what he became. From the ashes of the partition, he rose up and became the flying Sikh. He found the strength to forgive and the courage to confront his greatest grief. And in many ways, Milkha Singh's story is also India's story. The partition left behind wounds so deep they could have torn our nation apart forever. Families and homes were destroyed, trust shattered. Yet, India chose not to remain in the shadow of loss. Like Milkha, our country chose to rise, to heal with compassion, to move forward with forgiveness, and to be grateful for every chance at rebuilding what was lost. These very qualities are reflected in Vidya Valley's own philosophy. Our founder principal, Mrs. Nalini Sengupta, embodies them in every single thing that ma'am does. Nalini ma'am always has a patient ear for all students, particularly the younger ones, teaching them the value of patience and empathy. Now, for any misdemeanor, students of Vidya Valley do face consequences, yes, but Nalini ma'am forgets them. She shows them the light in darkness and she points them towards the right path even when it's murky. And of course, with role models like Nalini ma'am, we as students naturally feel thankful for the guidance, the example, and the school she has founded. As Vidya Valley celebrates 25 years, our theme for the Harshotsav could not be anything else but the very qualities that our founder principal personifies: compassion, gratitude, and forgiveness. I would like to conclude with a quote from Milkha Singh himself. My most enduring memory of that year is not the birth of India and Pakistan. All that mattered was how to get my next meal, usually a roti or an onion. This shows, even in the hardest times, we can not only survive, but rise if we forgive our circumstances, be compassionate, and grateful for the cards that we have been dealt. Thank you. Are we ready to start today's performance? I can't hear you. Thank you. Okay, so before we begin, I would just like to thank the audience, this wonderful audience, for coming all the way here, for showing our support to the students and to our school. Thank you. When Rag met Tal. This Jugalbandi creates magic. And here at VVS, this music echoes all the way from the synthesizer and drum rooms on the third floor, way down to the basement. We're introduced to this blend that is music very early on. And by early, I mean can't even tie your shoelaces kind of early. From kindergarten itself, we grow up with both Do Re Mi and Sa Re Ga Ma. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to have a very special performance by both our Indian and Western bands. Our Indian band will be performing a fusion between Indian folk classical and Western music. And our Western band, well, let's just say you're ready for a concert. Because whether it's Taylor Swift or Arijit Singh, every artist needs their heartbeat. The drummers, the guitarists, the bassists, the keys. And here at Vidya Valley, our accompanists are just as important as our lead performers. So, without further ado, presenting the VVS bands.
Gana